So let's discuss how to solve this type of quadratic equation where the quadratic equation is having something like this. Solve for under root 2x plus 9 plus x is equals to 13. Okay, how to solve this quadratic equation? Now the question is it a quadratic equation? Yes, it's a quadratic equation. It doesn't looks like quadratic equation, but we will take one, like we will write one step and it will take the shape of quadratic equation. So whenever we are having square root in any equation, we will try removing that. Okay, we will try to remove the square root from the given equation. Now here, if we will try to remove this square root sign from here so that we can proceed and we can solve it, then we have to do squaring both sides just to remove this square root. Okay, without any purpose we are not squaring. Since we want to remove this square root sign, hence we have to square both sides. Let's do squaring both sides. But while doing squaring both sides, we will also be careful that here, like on one side only square root terms are there. Okay, on one side only this square root terms are there, 2x plus 9, and this x, this one will be on the other side. We will just shift it on the other side. Always before doing squaring, we will just keep the square root term on one side and all the remaining term on the other side. Why we are doing so, I will be showing you, but for now it will be 13 minus x over here. Okay, now we will do squaring both sides. That means we are squaring this side also and this side also. Okay, so this root 2x plus 9 whole square will be what, Zoha?
Squaring those two will get 2x square.
Yes, it will be just 2x plus 9. And the
Plus
other side will be
61.
using the formula of a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, let's do it. So here we'll be having 2x plus 9 and other side it will be 169 minus 26x plus x square. Now can you see it became a quadratic equation? X square is there, you can keep it on that side only. Minus 26x is also there on that side. This 2x also will be bringing to other side only. It will be, wait, let me write it properly. We can take everything to this side also, so it will be minus x square over here. This minus 26x we will bring and it will be plus 26x plus 2x. Okay, this 169 that is positive on that side we will bring to this side. It will be minus 169 plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, now we just have to focus on solving this quadratic equation, which is minus x square plus 28x minus 160 is equals to 0. Okay, now the question was why we have not done the squaring the way it was given, why we shifted this x to another side. So let me tell you, our purpose is to remove this square root sign, and if you will do squaring as it is, root 2x plus 9 plus x is equals to 13. Root 2x plus 9 plus x is equals to 13. If you will do squaring as it is, squaring, it will be 169 on another side, and in on this side it will be a square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2x plus 9 plus b square. Can you see we did the squaring so that we will remove the square root sign, but eventually square root sign came due to this squaring. 2ab term, this will be containing a square root term. Can you see it, Zoha?
Yeah.
Are you understanding?
Yeah, I'm understanding that.
Okay, so whenever we'll be having this type of equation, no, always we will try keeping the square root term on one side and everything else on the other side. Okay, now please try solving this. Minus x square plus 28x minus 160 is equals to 0. Please try solving it, no? Just give me a minute, okay? Please try solving it. Yes, Zoha, are you done with solving this one?
Yeah, just 1 second. I just have to remove the factors.
What you got? It is x square minus, if we will take out common, it is minus 28x plus 160 is equals to 0. Now we find what is A, what is B, what is C. So here we can see clearly A is 1, B is minus
Minus
28 and
28.
C is 160. We do the multiplication between A and C and that is just 160.
Yeah,
Now we
160. We
try
can take
breaking, factorizing this 160 so that we'll be
20
able
and
to
8.
generate the middle term, that is 28.
20 and 8.
Yeah, what?
Can we take 20 and 8 because 20 into 8 it equals to 160.
Just a second. What can be taken over here? 28. Yeah, we can take 20 and 8, which is multiplied together is 160 and minus 20. X minus 8x plus 160. So from, yeah, this one you will be able to continue. Let's continue. I just wanted to show you that when we'll be having a equation where a square root term will be there, how to deal with that. If I'll give you this equation, 6x plus 7 minus 2x minus 7 is equals to 0, and the instruction is very clear. We are supposed to solve this quadratic equation. So what we'll do, we will keep this root 6x plus 7 on one side and everything else on the other side, right? So
Yeah.
how,
Yeah, we
right?
take everything else on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll be doing a squaring on both sides, right?
Yes.
So other side we will be using formula. This side it will be just 6x plus 7. So yeah, this is also very simple. Let me take, suppose we are having solve for x. We are having a by x minus b plus b by x minus a is equals to 2. Let's solve it for x. X can be in terms of a and b. Okay. So yeah, we'll be focusing on solving it. We can take out the LCM. What will be the LCM, Zoha? Yes. What will be the LCM?
The
Is it
LCM will be,
minus b into x minus a?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Now whatever is there, that multiplication of both will be LCM. LCM means what? LCM means we will see what is the common factor and the all the extra term. But here nothing is common factor, which we will just do the multiplication, and that is the LCM. Now the numerators part, here a is there and x minus b and x minus a is the LCM. We will compare the denominator. Previously, the denominator was x minus b. Now the denominator is x minus b into x minus a. So what extra has been multiplied? X minus a. That we need to multiply in the numerators part, right?
yeah,
Similarly, b. Now we will compare the previous denominator and now our new denominator. So previous denominator was x minus a. New denominator is x minus b into x minus a. Okay. What x minus a is already same. What extra is there? X minus b, that we will multiply in the numerator also, is equals to 2. Now let's try simplifying it. This denominator, we can shift it to another side. It will get multiplied. So 2 into x minus b into x minus c. And here we'll be having ax minus a square plus bx minus b square. Now, now let's keep this x terms together. So ax, bx, x we can take out common. We'll be having a plus b. And this minus a square minus b square, we can write them together. Minus a square plus b square, it will be, okay, 2 times x minus a, x minus b, x minus a. Okay, if we will open the bracket by using the distributive property, let's see what are we going to get on the other side. Okay, because now it doesn't seems like we are anywhere close to solving it. Okay, so let's open this x minus b, x minus a, and let's see what are we getting. 2 will be there as it is. It will be x square minus ax minus bx plus ab, right, Zoha? And this side also, let's write everything as it is, ax, bx, everything as it is, because we want to see what exactly is our quadratic form. Still, we have not created our quadratic form. So everything I am just writing as it is. Any confusion so far, Zoha? See, this is what we were having. We were thinking what to do. We have taken out the LCM and we just tried doing the simplification. That's it. And we are here. Any confusion so far?
No, no confusion.
Okay. So we'll be having AX minus A square plus BX minus B square is equals to, let's do the multiplication, 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. Okay. Now let's keep everything on one side. So let's bring this x square and everything on this side. It will be minus 2x square plus 2ax, okay,
Minus,
plus 2bx
oh yeah, plus 2bx
minus 2ab.
plus,
And here also we are having ax, bx and all. So it is plus ax is there, minus a square is there, plus bx is there, and minus b square is there, is equals to 0, right?
yeah,
Okay, so 2ax we can see here, one more ax we can see here, which will be 3ax. Here we can see 2bx, and here one more bx, that means
become a
3bx.
3bx.
Here we can see 2ab, a square, b square. It looks like formula. Okay, we'll be keeping it together. So minus 2ab is there, minus a square is there, minus b square is there, and in front minus 2x square is there. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
So we are having minus 2x square plus, if we will take out common x and 3 also, it will be just a plus b. Okay. Here we are having, if we will take out minus common, it will be just a square plus 2ab plus b square. Can you see it, Soha? We can write it as a plus b whole square. Can we?
Yeah, we can because the formula is there.
Yes, we can. Maybe while splitting the middle term, it will help us. Maybe. Okay. So let's try splitting the middle term now. We are supposed to do the multiplication of A and C. A is minus 2 and C is minus A plus B whole square. Now we don't get concerned with the sign and all. Sign we arrange by ourselves only. We just need to focus that what is AC. So AC is 2 times A plus B whole square. Now we have to do the factorization of this 2 times A plus B whole square so that we can generate 3 A plus B. Okay, 3 times A plus B. So can we write it as a 2A plus B and then A plus B over here? Both added together is going to generate 3A plus B.
Yeah, this will
Yes.
generate.
Okay. So now only it was looking like that. Where are we going? It doesn't seems like getting, like we are not at all solving it. What are we going to get? But we just kept on doing the simplification, whatever came in our way, we just kept on doing that and we ended up getting something like this. Now with this 3a plus b can be written as 2a plus b plus a plus b. X is there along with both of them, minus 2x square is there, then here minus a plus b whole square will be there. Now we will take out common the way we take. Now here while taking out the common, we will be careful from this minus 2x square and plus 2a plus bx. What is common? So it's simple. We can see that 2 is common. We can see that x is also
Common.
common. Right, Soha?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what will be remaining? So minus x will be remaining over here and then plus,
Plus,
or we can take out minus sign also as a common factor. Like it's completely up to us. We can take out minus sign also. Then it will be x minus something. Let's take out minus sign also. Let's take out. So minus sign also will take out common. So it will be x minus a plus b. Right, Soha? Now from the next two term, we'll take out common. Can you tell me what is the common factor which can be taken from the next two terms?
We can take a plus b common.
Yes, a plus b is the common factor, and still we are left with x minus a plus
A
b.
plus b.
Okay, we are done with splitting the middle term. We got in one bracket x minus a plus b, in another bracket minus 2x plus a plus b, and from here we'll be getting two different x values. So one of the x value is, can you tell me, Zoha, what are the x values?
Okay, so the first exact value will be plus a plus b,
A plus b,
equals to a plus b. The second
and
one will be a minus a plus b divided by 2. Minus 2,
yes,
sorry, divided by
minus a
minus 2.
plus b divided by 2. So these are the two x values. Yeah, in terms of a and b, what we did, we just kept on doing the simplification. This simplification part must be very clear to you. Then only this type of question you will be able to do independently by yourself. We have just taken the LCM and we tried doing the simplification, and we just kept on doing it. Denominator we have removed and we have shifted it to another side. This is what we got. Okay.
Okay,
And it became minus 2x square plus 3x 3bx, and the constant, the c, the constant term has taken the shape of formula a plus b whole square formula, and we have written it like that. Once we have written it like that, it became very simple for us to split the middle term and to do the factorization again. Okay, let's do a few more questions. First you try it, then we'll be discussing it together. Please try it, no, Zoha. Then we'll be doing it together.
Ma'am?
Are you able to do it, Zoha?
No, it's stuck.
Okay, so let's try it. So what we can do over here, we will, what is A, what is B, what is C, Zoha?
Yeah, A is +4, B is -4, and C is
B is
A power
minus 4A square,
-4
X,
A square,
whatever is
sorry.
multiplied with X, that is B, right, Zoha?
Yeah, it's -4 A square, sorry. Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to consider the whole term. And
And C
C
is A to
is,
the power 4 minus
yeah,
B.
A power 4 minus B power 4.
Yeah. So first we'll be doing the multiplication of A with C.
Yeah,
That
A
is
to this.
4, we will multiply with A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4. Now we will try splitting it. So for now, forget about that. We have to split it, taking two terms which added together, subtracted together is going to make the middle term. Forget about this, all the process. Let's focus on doing the factorization over here. So can we see that this can be written as a squares whole square and this can be written as b squares whole square?
Yes, it can be written like that.
It is a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. Can we do it like this? So how?
Yeah, we can. We can.
Yeah, we can do it like this. Now let's see what we have to create. We have to create the middle term, that is minus 4a square. Basically 4a square minus, we will do the arrangement, 4a square we have to make. So from here, if we will try split, just taking two factors which added together or maybe subtracted together will generate 4a square. So can we take it like this? 2 with a square plus b square and 2 with a square minus b square. Now we will check it, like both added together. Yeah, both added together. Can you see it is making 4a square?
Yeah, because the B will get
Okay, and b
cancelled.
square term is getting cancelled out. Great, great. That's what we wanted, right?
Yes, that's what we
Yeah.
wanted.
So 2a square plus b square and 2a square minus b square, these are the two factors. This is 2a square plus b square and along with x and 2a square minus b square along with x. These are the two factors. Now the question is, we want to create just minus 4a square and b square must get cancelled out. We realize that by adding this two, we'll be getting only 4a square. But here the main thing is, we want to create minus 4a square. So both should be positive, both negative. Which one is positive? Which one is negative? Can you tell me, Zoha?
2 into A square minus B square is the -1.
Can we take both negative? Let's check it. Minus 2a square. Minus 2a square is minus 4a square. Then here minus 2b square will also get generated. And there plus 2b square. Yeah, it is getting cancelled out. Right?
Yeah.
Any confusion so far?
No, so far there's no confusion.
Okay. Here we'll be having 4x square. Here we'll be having a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now the question is, let's take out the common factor from the first two, from the next two. From the first two, what can be taken out as a common factor, Zoha?
Yeah, from the first two we can take
2x
2x as common. Yeah, we left with
will be
x.
2x
Yeah,
minus
2x minus
a square plus b
plus
square.
b square.
And from the next two terms,
From the next two terms,
minus
we can
2
take minus
or
2.
not, minus a square minus b square, because a to the power 4 minus b to the power
Yeah, we
4
can
means
convert it.
in
So
one bracket a square plus b square, in another bracket a square minus b square, right?
yeah,
Yeah. So this is what we can take out common, and yes, we'll be left with 2x minus a square plus b square. Getting it, Zoha?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay. So now we are done. I'm leaving it over here. Now we are done. X value will be able to find. Let me take the another question. Just copy down these questions, no, Zoha. Let's do it quick, because you understood the concept, and I can see most of the questions over here. All the questions over here like are like this only, and these are all from the previous year question. We'll be doing it over here. 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square is equals to 0. We'll be doing it over here. X square minus 2ax minus 4b square minus a square 0. We'll be doing it over here. And then 2x over x minus 3 plus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 over x minus 3 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. We'll be doing it over here. Okay. Each and every question we have to solve for x. Let's do it. So we are having 9x square minus 6b square a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. We understood now only that this can be written as a square plus b square in one bracket, a square minus b square in another bracket. Okay, here if we will do the multiplication of a and c, this is what we will be getting. And if we will try splitting it, 6 we want to create. So 3 times 3 and 3 will create 6. Right, Zoha?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it will be a square minus
Okay,
b
now we
square.
will write it that we realize that 3a square plus b square will be there along with x, and 3a square minus b square will be there, of course, along with x. Now the question is we want to create minus 6b square. Okay, a square we don't need. A square we don't need. We need b square. Okay, and that too negative 6. So can we take this one as a negative minus 3 square? And
Yeah, we
this one
can
as
take
a
it.
positive. Can we?
Yeah, we can, because the sign will be negative.
Okay, yeah, it is working. Now we are done with this one. Okay, I'm leaving this particular question. Let's do the next one also. Here we want to create 4b, and we are having 4 into a square minus b square. Okay, 4 into a square minus b square we understood. We understood a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a
A
minus
plus
b, and
b
our
minus.
purpose is to create just b. So yeah, we'll be able to create just b from here, and 4 2 2, right? So
Yeah.
let's write it 2 in one bracket a plus b along with x, and 2 a minus b along with x. Now 4b we want to create. A we don't need. A we don't need, B we want to create. So that too positive. So can we take it negative, the subtraction between these two?
Yeah, we can take it as a negative.
2A plus 2B. Yeah. Yeah, it is working, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the next one. So this one. This one also you will be able to do Zoha. 4b square minus a square, and we want to create just 2a. So that means, can you tell me, Zoha, when we will do the factorization of this 4b square minus a square, what are we going to get?
When you do the factorization, we'll maybe we'll get
Yes.
minus.
Can you tell me little bit louder?
Sorry,
Yeah.
because we have to get minus 2a. We can probably take minus 1 into b square minus.
First, you tell me if I will just give you one question that Zoha, you are supposed to do the factorization of 4b square minus a square. Does it look like any formula, Zoha?
Yeah, it does.
Can we write 4b as a 2b's whole square minus a square?
Yes, we can.
We can write, and it is just a plus b, a minus b, we can write it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can write it a plus b and a minus b, we can write it x along with both of them. Now the question is we want to create minus 2a, only minus 2a, and yeah, we'll be able to make, if we will take minus over here and plus over here, this minus a will be minus 2a and b will get cancelled out, right, Soha?
Yeah.
So whenever you are getting this type of question, you always focus on factorizing c. Just forget about everything and focus on factorizing this c. Once you will be able to factorize c, you will see that, yeah, from there easily you will be able to proceed. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next one, this one we'll be doing together. Now I will ask you, what can be taken out as a LCM over here, Zoha?
The LCM,
Yes.
maybe we can take x minus 3 whole square. We can take both of them as whole square.
Is it x minus 3 to x plus 3? Is it so?
Yes, it is, because we're doing LCM.
Okay, yes, because the last term is having only that. So if we will talk about common factors, so x minus 3 to x plus 3 is there. First term is also having x minus 3. Next term is also having 2x plus 3. So this is the LCM, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will write the numerators part. So x minus 3 is there. It was the previous denominator, and now the new denominator is x minus 3 multiplied with 2x plus 3. So what extra has been multiplied? 2x plus 3. That we will do the multiplication in numerator also, 2x plus 3. Okay. Plus, now previously 2x plus 3 was there. Now also 2x plus 3 is there. What extra is there is reflecting in our common denominator, the new denominator. So x minus 3. That we will multiply in numerator also. Now again we will compare the previous denominator and now new denominator. Both are exactly same. That means nothing has been changed in the denominator. So we will not change the numerator also. Right, Soha?
Yeah.
Now let's continue. Here what we do, we just shift the denominator's term to the other side. When we will try doing so over here, we will realize that the denominator will get multiplied with 0 on the other side and it will become just 0.
Yeah, it will cancel out.
On left hand side, we'll be having 2x multiplied with 2x plus 3. That means 4x square plus 6x. 1 into x minus 3 is just x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9. This is what we are having, and denominator completely, it just got removed by itself. We have not done anything. We just try shifting it to another side. Another side 0 was there. It just multiplied with 0 and became 0. Any confusion so far, Zoha?
No, ma'am, no confusion.
Any confusion?
No, I understood how to do it. You have to do LCM, and then after doing LCM, you have
I
to
don't know
take it.
why your voice is very low, Zoha.
It's very low.
Yeah, very low. Can you hear me properly
Yeah, I
on
can
mic?
hear you.
Okay. So yeah, now I can hear you. Is it clear so far, Zoha?
Yes, ma'am, I understood the procedure.
Okay. Now it has taken the shape of quadratic form. You can see it 4x is square, 6x is there, x is there, 3x is there. So 6x plus x, 7x, 7x plus 3x, 10x, then minus 3 plus 9, it will be plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay. Now we just need to do the factorization, splitting of middle term. Please do it, no, Zoha, and tell me what are you getting after splitting the middle term over here.
Okay. Okay, I got the answer.
Yes, what you got?
So for that one, I got 2x plus 2 as the first one, and the second one is 2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. Okay. And the other one is?
It's 2x plus 2.
Okay, both are same 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3.
No, one is 2x plus. No, one is 2x plus 2.
Okay, 2 you are saying.
Yes, 2.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay, it's perfect. Now this one, Zoha. Okay, you will be able to do it. But if I will ask you at first, what is the LCM? What is the LCM which can be taken from the left hand side?
On the left hand side.
Yes, it is.
It will be x squared minus 3.
Can you please repeat it? Yes.
Is it x square minus 3?
X minus 3 will be there. What else? Like x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there. So x minus 2 will also be there. X minus 1 is there. So x minus 1 will also be there. Right, Soha?
Okay, so we're taking out the
While
common.
finding the LCM, what we do? Okay, let me take one example. Suppose we are having x square a k and we are having x cube a. Okay, and what is the LCM? So what we do? We do the factorization of this one, x into a into k, and we do the factorization of this one also. So x into x into a. While finding the LCM, what we do? First we take the common factor. Yeah. First, we take the common factor. So we can see x is here and x is here. 1x. Okay. Then we can see x is here and x is here. One more x. Okay. We will forget about it because we have used that. Now, a is here and a is here. So 1a. These are the common factor. If HCF we have to find, then we'll say that x square a is the HCF. But here I am telling you, let's find the LCM. So these are the common factor which we have taken. Okay, which we have taken. Now all the extras we will take while taking out the LCM. So in LCM, what we are doing? First, we are taking the common factor. And then we are seeing what extra terms are leftover terms. Okay. Then we will be taking the leftover term, that is k, x. This is the LCM. LCM is x cube a k. Okay. So if you understood, now again I'll be asking question x minus 1, x minus 2. This the first term's denominator is x minus 1, x minus 2, and the next term's denominator is x minus 2, x minus 3. X minus 2, x minus 3. Now we have to find the LCM of this two. So first we will be taking the common factor, x minus 2, x minus 2. That must be there in the LCM. Now once we are done with taking the common factor, now no other common factor is there, then we'll be taking all the extra terms also while finding the LCM. So x minus 1 and also x minus 3. This is the LCM. Are you getting it, Zoha?
Yeah, I understood what is meant by LCM.
Okay. So actually, conceptually, this is the method of finding the LCM. And you must have heard from your teacher in his school that if we are having a cube y and if we are having a cube y square, a to the power 4 y square maybe, what we do, a cube a to the power 4, we take a to the power 4, the highest power we take, and y square we take the highest power, that is y square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the short trick. But actually the concept is take the common factor. So if you will notice carefully this two, the common factor is a cube. If you will notice this two carefully, the common factor is y. And then take all the extras. Okay, all the leftover terms. So a cube you have already used. From here also a cube you have already used. From here one a is left over. From here one y is left over, that also we need to take, and all taken together, all multiplied together will be, check it, a to the power 4 y square, which we have figured it out, right, Soha?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so this way you will be taking out LCM. If the LCM part is clear to you, then numerator you will be able to simplify. Can you tell me what will be there in the first terms numerator part?
First term.
Yes, Zoha.
Yeah, the first term it will be x minus 2.
Yeah, it will be x minus 3, and the next term will be
x minus 1.
This one is already there. What extra is there reflecting in our new denominator, the common denominator? X minus 1 is extra, right? That we need to multiply in numerator part, right, Soha? That's what you do while doing the basic simplification also. If suppose 1 by 3, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is there, we write it as a 2 into 3. That means directly we write it as a 6. And then we start telling the like table. 2, 3 times 6, then 3 we multiply in the numerator. Then 3, 2 times 6, then 2 we multiply in the numerator. So basically, if I will not multiply, if I will write the LCM like this, can you see? 2 is there and 2 is there. What extra? 3. That 3 we have multiplied in the numerator. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, 3 is there and in LCM 2 into 3 is there. So 3, 3 is same. What extra is reflecting in the common denominator in the LCM 2? That 2 we have multiplied in the numerator. Basically, here we know the table. It is easier for us to write it quickly without even realizing what are the steps we are following, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the same concept we are using over here, x minus 2 into x minus 3 was the previous denominator, and now we are saying that there is a new denominator, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So with compared to previous denominator, what extra new term is there? X minus 1, that we will multiply in the numerator also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, basically in our curriculum we write it like this. In other curriculum I have seen a student doing LCM and all. They just figure it out. Let me show you what they do. In x minus 1, x minus 2, and here 1 by x minus 2, x minus 3, 1 by x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, here plus is there. So what they do, no, first they figure it out what will be the LCM, and we figured it out. LCM will be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So they write it over here. Okay, in US curriculum, in Hong Kong curriculum, students just do write like this: x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Here also they just write like this: x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, because that is the LCM we found. We just draw a bigger line and we write it once. They write it like this, and then they compare that what extra term is there. So x minus 1, x minus 2 was already there. X minus 3 extra has been multiplied. That extra we need to multiply in the numerator also. Okay, here x minus 2, x minus 3 is there, which was already, which is reflecting in the LCM also. What extra has been multiplied? X minus 1, that we need to multiply in the numerator. So basically they are doing the same thing, right? Right, Zoha?
Yeah, they are doing something.
Okay, you understood, right? This step now can be written as this one common denominator is there. So this one and this one is exactly same, which we write it together. Rather than writing it two times, we write it together, and we write it over here x minus 3, and we write it over here x minus 1. Any confusion, Zoha?
So basically, in the denominator, we just take what's left over basically.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, I
Are you
got it.
asking anything?
So basically, for the denominator, we multiply what is left out basically.
Yeah. Whatever is left over, that since that is multiplied in the denominator, and we are dealing with a fraction, so the same term we need to multiply in numerator also.